XRP just surpassed Bitcoin in trading volume on South Korean exchanges. That's right. XRP is absolutely dominating the market with over $800 million in volume outpacing Bitcoin. Stick around because today we're diving in to why XRP is surging, what this means for crypto adoption, how it could reshape the global financial landscape. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you're ready to explore why XRP is outperforming Bitcoin in South Korea and what this means for the future of crypto, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Okay, let's break down this monumental shift and what it means for your portfolio. XRP recently made waves in the crypto world by surpassing Bitcoin in trading volume on South Korean exchanges. Over $800 million in XRP was traded across platforms like Upbit, BitHum, and Corebit, outpacing Bitcoin in the region. This surge is a clear indicator of XRP's growing popularity, especially in regions like South Korea, which often set global crypto trends. South Korea has long been a hotbed for crypto adoption, and XRP's dominance in this market signals something significant. Historically, South Korean traders have shown a propensity for driving euphoric rallies in specific tokens, creating substantial buying pressure that often influences global prices. XRP's recent performance suggests we could be on the cusp of a major breakout. There are several factors contributing to XRP's success in South Korea. First, the country has a strong affinity for fast, efficient payment systems, making XRP's speed and low transaction costs a perfect fit. Ripple's partnerships with major financial institutions also lend credibility, helping XRP gain traction in a region known for its early adoption of blockchain technology. Additionally, South Korea's regulatory environment has been relatively favorable for crypto, further boosting XRP's appeal. This trend highlights how regional factors can significantly impact a coin's performance, and it's something to watch as Ripple continues expanding globally. XRP's dominance in South Korea isn't just a regional phenomenon. It's a glimpse into its potential for broader adoption. Ripple has long positioned itself as the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain, and this latest milestone underscores its growing influence. Ripple's recent launch of Real USD, its native stablecoin, also has played a role here. By integrating stablecoins and leveraging XRP as a liquidity solution, Ripple is solidifying its position as a cornerstone of global financial infrastructure. The focus on regions like South Korea, which are already embracing instant payments and blockchain innovation, highlights Ripple's strategy to lead the next wave of crypto adoption. For investors, XRP's surge is a reminder of its resilience and utility. As Ripple continues to expand its partnerships and influence, XRP's role in global payments is becoming increasingly clear. If you're holding XRP, this could be a pivotal moment to reassess your strategy and consider the long-term potential of this asset. South Korea's trading volume is just one piece of the puzzle, of course, but it is a strong indicator of XRP's growing momentum. The question now is, will this trend spread to other regions, and how will it impact XRP's price in the months ahead? So here's the bottom line. XRP's overtaking Bitcoin in South Korea is more than just a headline and clickbait. It's a sign of changing dynamics in crypto adoption. With Ripple's expanding influence and XRP's clear use case in global payments, this could be the start of something much bigger, something special. But what's your take on XRP's dominance in South Korea? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay plugged into the Bit Squad. That's all I got. Be blessed. That boy out.